country people. Man, na kuna di Tori day. We will talk for now. We talk for now about waiting now for Faker food. Faker food don't move calendar for election. It don't start since yesterday. Calendar day very detailed. So when I go for all our platform, then when I will say and say we don't publish them for day, we wanna follow them for Bantu Media Authentic. It did it for Bantu Media Sport Group. It did it for Senator Cletus, aka Ejawi Moses. It did it too. Election it will take place, and then final election for Faker vote now on the 29th of November. We go take place. We go vote president for Faker food. So calendar don't open. Una know two countryman, countrywoman say Samuel Eto'o the other day he signed some big thing, big book palaba for a convention with some television for Douala. What they call it say MSI TV. Now say that TV go to snap I the show MTN Elite 1, MTN Elite 2 for all man way you want watch ball, we no get time for go for fee. You go just put television, you see other match them. That's so the thing will take place. You know, say Eto'o, it be pinch TV. He say TV na sabotage television. They don't turn for television where na national TV, they go now for sabotage television. TV don't tell we say na true say it be sabotage television, countryman, countrywoman. What happen? TV where they talk about Afro volleyball, where it take place, it don't finish yesterday for Palais de Sport for Wada. For the multi-purpose sport complex for Yaoundé for Wada, he called Bello Boudan, say na president for federation for volleyball. People fall for their head. Say una ne respect law, una say active, una ne respect law. Bello Boudan na which kind president? Cameroon justice don't talk say na Serge Abouem. Una no get right for the talk say na Bello Boudan. Coach say active sote. CITV community manager can answer, say no, who the jogging information, no be who you appoint president, say me they get out. Where it concern Africa food, they take side. Now they can't begin to say the jogging information. Why be say they talk, they do that kind of work? All man know how it pass. Say Ngongo dey for corner, Mouelle Kombi dey for corner, now the team with CITV, they follow. They don't coach CITV, so the team pass place. Countryman, countrywoman, CITV, they don't get the own. Another Tori day, countryman, countrywoman. We take the Tori now, we go for that small girl where they kill him for Yaoundé, where they call it say Bella Merveille. Bella Merveille, he die how? Man come for mommy salon, carry them go for house, take it go, where say they hungry, go put mbanga inside chop, give it chop, it drunk the mbanga, the man now enter a woman's skin. Kumbang kong samba, kumbang kong samba, kumbang kong samba, kumbang kong samba, kumbang kong samba. Saute overdose with that over tuk. Where in nak tumara ge. Petit pays they call it nyokse. Nyokse that ge saute that ge don't die now. So I say they don't catch it. And then the story where the commander say Massa for Mireille Blanchot, they call it Steve Mbienu, na zooming to make some live yesterday when he talk it be a friend or that man they work for it sometime. He do some kind mission, then impossible mission. So na so the thing they pass. They say they don't catch it. So other girl waiting for social media where they call it influencer. In name na Aisha Njayu. Aisha Njayu talk say he said this same man, we don't contact him, you know no play the man take his number from. And they talk about the restaurant, say want do publicity for the restaurant for Bastos. Then me come for 8 o'clock, anytime at 8 o'clock, anytime at 8 o'clock, anytime at 8 o'clock, anytime at 8 o'clock. Sote it deny for go. Lucky enough say no we go because if we go, sometime this man too for druggy and then kill it. Countryman, countrywoman. We talk the other story. The one na Ama Piero. Ama Piero na musician for Cameroon. Ama Piero don't vex. Orange we use a song for make their publicity with them. Ama Piero cut book. I say Ama Piero cut that book now. They dey for cut. Giri 1 year. Giri. So take 10 years. 9 days. Ama Piero be asked about 3 or 4 billion. Court don't talk say Orange go give them. Give 500 million. Ama Piero don't talk say don't get Muruna. The court palava don't finish. Orange get for pay money more than 500 million. Yes, Orange Cameroon get for respect artists. You know, when they take artists their song, they use them for their publicity. When they not contact artists, when they not do not to artists, now so they matter a day countryman, country woman. And then when for the one coming up outside countryman, countrywoman, he come up for France. What happen for France? Now we want to unana. So influencer for France, we name na yene. He follow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 get them. And for the 15 get them, he promised the marriage, all them, and the marriage now for the same day. So this all them, they don't invest money for their married gown. Hey, come so they just deny say no one marry them. One, they don't traumatize. They don't perplex. So why the one give say their marriage gown, they don't understand what they fit do. They still don't pass them. That man, no, he go enter in a Guinness Book for record for man we promise marriage for 15 years and then deny them for the approach for the marriage. Now so the thing it passed. And then the last one, now Davido. Who the year say for marriage for Davido and Choma, money no be na matter. Now money be there. They just spray the money. When I don't say papa na the fourth fortune for Nigeria. Now you two get your omburu. Spray the money. Say the ring where he buy am for Choma. Now how much? 536 million francs CFA. And then na 13 private jet they come on Nigeria. Carry people go for Miami, for America, for that marriage. No be any man they marry so countryman, countrywoman. That one na come and see America wonder. Do you know America wonder? Come and see America wonder. Wow. Congratulations for you, Mr. Davido. And then the one they say coup d'etat for Mali or what it happen. France and don't talk it all lie, talk nonsense for that side for 2 they happen for day. But una no say Mali they calm, asimi greater they calm. So IAS people are the salute now, my chari.